Hey, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have a unusual but unfortunately extremely typical situation. We have a beautiful collection in the middle of a store and steel, but they're actually not selling any toys. They're only selling jewelry. Raspberry. Hey, details from the following event are not fake, they're real. When you see this video, put it into perspective. It kind of pissed me off because it's kind of like a Lucy, Charlie Brown football moment.
Kick that football clear to the moon!
Like, hey, here's a shop that has really great inventory. Not for sale, not for sale, not for sale. Zoink, the football's pulled. So enjoy the pictures and know that none of this is for sale.
Game over, man. It's game over.
All right, so let's take a look. We got Mark Scotty, not for sale. Deluxe Auto, Marks, not for sale. Auburn, not for sale, not for sale. Hubley, not for sale. Wyandotte, not for sale. Cortland, not for sale, not for sale. Good looking Buddy L. Ladder, not for sale. Chain, not for sale. I'm showing. So it's like a Charlie Brown Lucy moment. Look, it's an AC Williams. Not for sale. None of this is for sale. Dent. Not for sale. Arcade. Not for sale. Wyandotte. Not for sale. Hubley. Austin. Good looking US Mail. Yeah. Keystone. Not for sale. Ding ding. Marks. Not for sale. Arcade. Not for sale. Williams. Kilgore. Interesting tan. Not for sale. Arcade. Not for sale. Marks. J-Chain Pig. Marks. Not for sale. Porky Pig with box. NFS. BO Plenty. Knockout. Marks. Pontiac's a tough one. That's a Fire Chief with black tires. I like that.
So is this stuff for sale?
Marks.
What we sell is the clothing and the jewelry, the accessories, the stickers.
Arcade NFS. Nice looking displays. He's running it for nostalgia.
None of the antiques.
Good looking.
For sale. Anything that's antique other than our Native American jewelry, we do have.
Great looking.
Other than that,
Arcade, Kilgore, Hubley, Arcade, Hubley, NFS. Good looking PD. It's neat. It's a museum of sorts. For sale. For sale. No. Marks. It's great. Turner's unusual. Fire. All right. So if you're looking for these for sale, they're not for sale. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Have a great day.